Hey, here we go, 1956 Chevy. And it's a powder blue or baby blue, maybe? It's a nice light blue, that's for sure. Oh, looky, there's a puppy in the back. No, it's a stuffed puppy, if you can see it. If you can see it, mark it down. If you can't, wait until you can see it, because I'm going to show it closer. Now do you see it? Yeah, I'm not crazy. There is a dog there. It's just that hard to see. It's a stuffed dog, by the way, people. End of debate, end of discussion. And this is a beauty, though. Look at all that nice chrome. Oh, there's another dog in there. See that? Move sides. Well, enjoy this and many, many, many more on Willis Talk.